Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's update is one of the biggest and most historic news stories we have seen in the crypto market in years. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has officially approved new rules to fast track crypto ETFs. This single decision has already sent shockwaves across both the traditional financial world and the digital asset space, and it could mark the beginning of a brand new era for cryptocurrency. For a long time, the SEC has been extremely cautious about crypto. They delayed decisions, rejected multiple applications, and often seemed unwilling to give crypto the same recognition that traditional financial products enjoy. But this new move changes everything. By fast tracking crypto ETFs, the SEC is essentially opening the doors to mainstream adoption at a speed we have never seen before. The immediate reaction in the market was massive. Exchanges like Bullish saw a surge in trading activity, investor sentiment turned highly positive, and Bitcoin broke through $117,000 in record time. This was a huge psychological milestone because it didn't happen gradually. It happened almost immediately after the SEC announcement. Investors rushed in, and the price action reflected that enthusiasm. And let's not forget that this historic development came right after the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut. Lower interest rates mean cheaper borrowing, more liquidity, and a search for better returns. Traditionally, when rates go down, investors move into equities, real estate, or other growth assets. But this time, a significant portion of that money found its way into crypto, proving just how far digital assets have come in becoming a legitimate part of the global financial ecosystem. Now, the question is, why does this matter so much for the future of crypto? First, it gives institutional investors direct and easy access to Bitcoin and other digital currencies. We're talking about hedge funds, pension funds, and even insurance companies that now have a regulated way to get exposure to crypto without worrying about private keys, security, or regulatory gray areas. The ETF structure makes it familiar, simple, and safe from their perspective. Second, it adds a new layer of legitimacy. For years, critics have argued that crypto is too risky, too unregulated, or too experimental. But when the SEC, one of the most powerful regulators in the world, decides to accelerate the approval process for crypto ETFs, it signals that this industry is not only here to stay, but is officially part of the financial mainstream. That is a level of confidence the market has been waiting for. Third, this could be the start of what many are calling a new crypto supercycle. A supercycle is when multiple factors line up at the same time to create long and powerful bull markets. Right now, we have several of those factors in play. We have the SEC's approval of ETFs, we have the Fed lowering rates, we have growing institutional adoption, and on top of that, global demand for alternative assets is stronger than ever. Put all of these together and the conditions for an extended bull run are very real. But of course, the road ahead won't be completely smooth. There will still be volatility, there will still be corrections, no market moves straight up, especially not crypto. However, the overall direction seems clearer than ever before. More money is coming in, more people are getting access, and more institutions are preparing to enter. That kind of momentum is difficult to stop. In the short term, the key levels to watch will be whether Bitcoin can hold above 117,000 and build new support. If it does, the next targets will likely be new all-time highs and possibly numbers that many people once thought impossible. Altcoins will also start to benefit as liquidity spreads across the market. Ethereum, Solana, and other major projects could see renewed interest as investors diversify beyond Bitcoin. In the medium term, the spotlight will be on which ETFs actually launch first under this new fast-track system. Will we see products from giants like BlackRock and Fidelity take the lead? How quickly will they attract billions of dollars in inflows? These are the developments that will shape the next few months and give us an even clearer picture of just how big this market can become. In the long term, what we are witnessing right now could be remembered as the true turning point for crypto adoption worldwide. For the first time, we are seeing regulators, institutions, and investors all moving in the same direction. Instead of resistance, we are seeing acceptance. Instead of hesitation, we are seeing momentum. That combination makes this moment historic. So the big question for you is this. Do you believe this is the spark that takes Bitcoin and the entire crypto market into a new era of growth? Or do you think there will be more bumps on the road before we see the next explosion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. If you found this breakdown useful and want to stay updated with the latest crypto news, analysis, and market insights, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.